Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista101. As you guys see, there's another bundle in front of me. I am doing another giveaway. The rules will be practically the same, so go ahead and comment something down here and leave your Instagram name in the comment as well. Then go ahead and go to my Instagram, like the post for this giveaway, and then just say done and tag 3 friends. You do have to be 18, you do have to be a resident of the US, and make sure you're following me. Other than that, I really have no other rules. Everything else will be posted down below. I know that my first giveaway has not finished. That will be announced this Sunday, which is the 13th. And then the giveaway is announced to the second giveaway is starting today. So it's going to start at night. So Friday the 11th, we're starting it. It's going to be announced on the 20th. So let me show you what you're getting in this giveaway, because this giveaway is a little bit different. First and foremost, you're getting a 2021 vertical layout planner. The other one is horizontal. This one's vertical. This is Stephanie's favorites, and it's Plan a Happy Life. This one still has Stephanie in the front up here, and it's just Stephanie, and it has this beautiful polka dot inside. So you have I'm a happy planner, this happy planner belongs to, and it's very, very neutral other than these. So these have kind of the colors. This is the monthly overview, and then where you write stuff for your monthly overview, look how neutral it is. Other than the colors on top, it is beautiful. This is the currently page, and it has big ideas, master list, holidays and birthdays to remember. And again, this is the only colors that you get. And then monthly layout looks like this. So there's nothing. You guys, there's absolutely nothing. No notes, no nothing. It's January 2021. And it's so simple. And the lines are super thin. And same thing with weekly. And it goes like that through the whole year. So let me show you the dividers. And then we'll go from there. So Happy to Be You. This actually corresponds to the book that Stephanie Fleming put out. So this is very, very correspondent. So it's plan, goal, evaluate, repeat. Celebrate the simple things in life. Balance and boundaries equals happiness. And then you have You Are Entirely Up to You for July. Then you have purpose, planning, positivity, and persistence. And then this is the cover of the book, Plan a Happy Life. Define your passion, nature your creativity, and take a hold of your dreams is October. November is this beautiful pink and red background with a gold foiled heart, and December is this very, very fun pattern. This is how this planner ends. All of the weeklies and everything is super neutral. There is no color other than dividers. And then we have this is the back, and then the back of this is these awesome stripes. When I saw this planner, I thought it would be perfect to give away. The discs are plastic. The planner is absolutely beautiful. So it's define your passion, nature your creativity, and take a hold of your dreams, live a happy life. That's what this planner is called. And with this planner, with the stripes, I thought this pencil pouch would be perfect. So it unrolls like this, and you can put all of your pens in here, and then roll it back up, and just carry it with you. And the stripes kind of, the colors don't match, but the stripes match. I really like how that looks. And then I am giving you guys these pens. In the last giveaway, I showed you how they write. They write so beautifully. I compare them all the time to the flares that people love. I actually love these so much. I am giving away this gorgeous Eiffel Tower keychain. To me, happiness is Europe and travel and being able to experience that with loved ones. So when I saw the happiness, how everything is about happiness here, I decided to include this. You can clip it down to your planner like that, and it can sit right there. It is so lovely, and the reds and the gold kind of matches the planner. So I thought I'll pass some happiness of this along, and look how beautiful and sparkly it is. So it is absolutely gorgeous. And then after those things, let me go ahead and show you what else. Nope, because I am not done. I'm never done. I always give away so much stuff to you guys. I am giving another one of these, which was also in my last giveaway. So it is a productivity pack. This is an extension pack. It is absolutely one of my favorites. And I have mine open. So let me show you what it is, because I use this practically daily. So we have, it comes with 2 pages of stickers. So you have dots, you have to do today, to do tomorrow, you have some squares, you have some labels. Same thing, today, tomorrow, hexagons, page flags, and long labels. And it comes with these sheets. Oh, this one's kind of messed up because it's been sitting on top. Let me show you. So it comes with these sheets, and what they are is you have today's date, you have 3 priorities, today's focus, self-care, reminders, 2 of these, which actually this stickers match if you wanted to cover them up. And then you have to-do list for today, and then the second page is the same. It also comes with 3 dividers. So you have be stronger than your excuses. This is the back. Be brave and kind, and make waves. So that's what the extension pack is. Let me go ahead and put this away, and I'll show you the rest because I am not done. So with those things, you also get few of my favorites. So you get a couple books. I could not give those to you. So you're getting Live Creatively, which actually came out for that planner specifically, and it matches. So you're getting that. Let me do a quick flip through of that. It's such a fun, colorful sticker book. So you have that. I'm just gonna do a quick flip through. It comes with a lot of boxes. Okay, so that's what this sticker book looks like. I think it is pretty awesome. If, like I said, it matches the planner. It was made for the planner. These stickers match the currently pages. So I thought that was awesome. You have some clear stickers. You have happy, plan happy, think happy, plan happy, be happy. I mean, that's all I do, right? Then you have happiness. I think these are really, really great. And I did a flip through originally when they came out, and I thought these were amazing. So I thought I'll give one of those away. So you have some appointments, and then you have some badges. So that's what this book looks like. So this is Live Creatively. So that's one of them. The second book I'm gonna give you guys is the Happy Goals. So that book also came out with that planner, and it is also matching that planner a lot. So let me show you what this one looks like. So all of that is like in the same color scheme. You have a lot of happy yellow stickers. There's a lot of like handwriting in here, handwritten quotes. And you have body, soul, mind. You have like some bookmarks with badges, define your purpose, and then some more clear stickers, which are amazing. And then choose joy, it's time to shine, be your best self, come on, be happy. So another clear sticker, and then another one. So this one has quite a bit clear stickers. Then you have icons there that are paper. You already had some icons that are clear here, and this continues on paper. And then we have some more icons on paper, and then you have some more badges. I broke up with perfection, think positive. So these stickers are super happy and vibrant. You have a weekly checklist, so it's like physical, emotional, spiritual, creative, occupational, social, financial, intellectual, and environmental. So all of those lists are there, and then you have what Stephanie was talking about. So you have goal, plan, evaluate, and repeat. And that's kind of how you're supposed to, that's how her planning style is, and you can actually take some notes from her if you want to do the same. And then we have practice positivity, so some gratitude boxes. We have some empty reward trophy things, and then you have some big boxes. Nourish, it's beautiful. This is in black and gold cover of the book, so plan a happy life. And then you have these, creativity, purpose, just start, gratitude, it's awesome. And then you have these, which again, they match your planner perfectly. And then we have some handwriting. So defining happy, creating happiness, persistence, not perfection, well and happy. And then we have think big, and so on, purpose, planning. So all of that. So that's the second book I'm giving out to you guys with that. And then last but not least, I'm giving also the recipe book. So I know that this is not a recipe planner, but this recipe sticker book doesn't have as much as about recipes as you might think. So let me show you. So this is the front. It has a lot of like food stuff. So if you are meal planning, you could use that. And it has like food quotes. It's beautiful. And then it has grocery lists, which you can put in any planner. So these are colored, and then these are rose gold. Look how beautiful. And then you have weekly staples in 4 colors. So that could also be almost like a grocery list. And then you have dairy-free, gluten-free, vegetarian. That could be meal planning, vegan. And then you actually have a weekly menu. You could use this in your sidebar. It doesn't have to be a actual recipe planner, because I use this in my wellness planner here and there. It's actually really, really great. And then you have some black ones, so there's quite a few pages of this. These could be your bullet points for the week if you chose to. Change of plans, takeout, so meal plan. And then you have life is sweet, some jars, family favorites, love this, favorite recipe. And then you have some decor. So we have whisks, mittens, spatulas, milk. And then we have a measuring cup, spoons, whisk, and milk. We have some eggs, tomatoes, avocados, carrots. So you could use those if you wanted to plan with food. There's some recipe reviews. So you could use this both in a recipe planner. We have some boxes, meal prep, some more boxes with meal prep, and then some long checklists. And then you have new recipe, dinner party, family fave. So you could use this in your planner, like I said. Then you have bullet points, some asterisks, and some page flags. And then you have the same thing in this beautiful rose gold. So like I said, it doesn't really need to be a recipe planner to be able to use this. And I think it matched pretty well in color with the other books. It's bright and colorful and beautiful. And then the last thing I'm giving you guys is this beautiful rose gold pen with the floating flowers inside. It is so gorgeous. Look at this. Can you see it? It is beautiful. So you have some flowers in here. I love florals, so I thought that would be fitting as well. And I hope you guys are so excited. So this giveaway again is running from today, which is the 11th, to the 20th. I am going to pick a winner at random. I always record these, so it shouldn't be too hard. And those are all the things that you guys are getting. I hope you like this giveaway. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. I am beyond excited to be able to give to you guys. There is one more giveaway coming. I have 3. So that week, so it'll be the 18th or the 19th. I think it's the 18th Friday. Let's check. Of course, I have to check in my planner. So the 18th, I'm gonna post the last giveaway, and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!